Let's make a pine cleaner. I selected Mexican weeping pine and white pine. The branches are full of pine sap. These are some of the supplies that I will be using. I started by cutting the peels off of my lemon. You can squeeze the lemon juice to add to the cleaner. Then I washed and separated the pine needles. I cut up the pine needles so they would fit into my jar and also to release some of the pine sap. I stuffed each jar about 3 inches from the top. I also cut up some of the pine stems because they were loaded with sap. Next, I covered my pine needles with vinegar. Add a few lemon pieces and the lemon juice. I allowed my jars to set for 2 weeks. After the 2 weeks, I used a strainer to remove the cleaner. Store the rest in a clean jar or jug. You can do this yourself. Thanks for watching.